This is your introduction to Shakespeare. Now, Shakespeare grew up in England in a small village called Stratford upon Avon during the mid 1500s to early 1600s. And the reason Shakespeare is so popular is mainly because of his plays. Here's a list of many of his plays in order of popularity. It's not an entire list of his plays, but you can see the top ones, Macbeth and Hamlet. Macbeth is the most popular, and that's actually the play we're going to look at. He actually wrote 38 plays during his lifetime. It actually added up to about 1.5 plays per year. And it's pretty incredible that he wrote so many plays, and it's even more incredible that these plays are still performed to this day, and actually some claim that Shakespeare's plays are more popular today than they ever were. Shakespeare himself, the man and his plays, is more popular than almost anything on the internet. There's 157 million pages that refer to him. And there's only 132 million for God, and 2.7 million for Elvis Presley, and 14.7 for George W. Bush. So people are still interested in Shakespeare and his works. So one of the reasons people are so interested is because his plays are so creative. You can see by this pie chart the numerous ways that people are killed in his plays. He had a really good understanding of the human condition and liked to exploit some of that in his plays. And you can see that almost half of the deaths in his plays were from being stabbed, but he has many other creative ways, like being pursued by a bear or baked into a pie. He also is popular and really important because he created so many words. When he wrote, if he needed a word for something and there just actually wasn't a word at that time, he just made words up. His plays are filled with words that he actually made up. And today, 1,700 words in our English language were actually invented by Shakespeare, like some of the words you can see here. As a matter of fact, you, the shorthand you that people use in texting all the time, it was actually used first by Shakespeare as a substitute for YOU, not invented by modern texting. So if you think Shakespeare has no swag, you need to understand he invented the word, so Shakespeare owns swag.